So, hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Sudeep Jaswal. So today I'm going to give you the idea how to do trigonometry question of class 10. Okay, so this is identities conditional question. So look at the board and watch till the video last. Okay, so let's start the video. As you can see, what is the question here? If a plus b plus c is equal to pi radian, prove that मा के दिएको छ? What is the given in the proof that? You can see. Now I'm going to write here cos2A plus cos2B. Okay, cos2B minus cos2C. Okay, then after 1 minus 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay, so this is the given in the question. So let's just write here solution here. Look at the board. Okay, my friends. Okay, listen to here. Here is the given what? This is the question. Okay, so just we have to write here the given. You can write first this question. I am not writing here. I will just prove. Okay, so I will just prove a plus b plus c is equal to pi radian c. Okay, so we have to just take here a plus b plus pi radian c minus c. Yeah, this doubt also is coming in your mind that, sir, can I take b or a in right hand side? If you want to take, then it can be, but I want to take just c, so that I am doing by taking c. Let's see here, because when I take c it's become easy. Okay, when I take a, yeah, it's take a long time, but it's also same process. It doesn't take a long time. Okay, it's the same process, but basically if you take c, then it will be good for you. Let's now a plus b is equal to pi radian c. Here now I'm going to solve. First of all, you have to leave this much space, so I will write this, which I write here, that I will write here. Okay, and now I'm going to take LHS from here. Okay, this part goes to here, after this part here part. Okay, so first of all we have to see the condition that what we have to do. Okay, what we have to do, whether we have to take cos a plus b or what cos a by 2, this condition. So we have to check that condition. Here you can you have to multiply by 2 on both sides. This is 2, here is given 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so if I multiply 2, if I keep here 2, if I keep here 2, and if I also keep here 2, then it will be 2a plus 2b. Okay, then after 2 pi radian, and this will be minus 2c. Okay, so for understanding, I wrote here, so I just gonna really erase this, so I don't want to keep it here. Let's now listen me friends. First of all, we have to identify which type of question here is given and what condition we have to put. Just take LHS, don't take this, take this only, minus cos 2c. Okay, minus cos 2c. Okay, now I am going to write cos 2a or cos 2b. This is going in a formula, so let's check the where is it going on formula or not. This is cos c plus cos d. Okay, so I will just take this part as a formula, and this will be left, okay, as it. Okay, so here cos 2 or cos c plus cos d formula. Can you see me? Yeah, absolutely, you are right. Here 2, here is a cos, here is also cos, so cos no change, so here will be cos 2a plus c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2. Here cos 2a plus okay, let me see that. Yeah, 2a plus Here will be minus 2a minus 2b by 2. Here will be as it same. Just I'm taking big bracket is the matter, equals 2c. Here, what you have to do, all of you, my friend, let me say you that I'm going to just keep it this like, and cos, this is cos 2a by 2. If I separate this 2a by 2, then it will be the same 2a by 2 plus 2b by 2. And if I again emerge both, if I take common, then answer will come same here. So I'm going to just separate and write here 2b by 2. Okay, here cos 2a by 2 minus 2b by 2. Then after you can see board cos2c. Okay, so I hope, let's see, 2 cos c, 2 cos. Now can you imagine, all of you, my friend, can you imagine that in which formula where it is going? It is going, I think, cos 2 cos. So let me say you which formula it is going. I think from here I have to also I said you before, you have to write here formula to make this easy. Okay, I'm going to write here formula, please wait. So my friends, what the consequences come here, if I cut this both, okay, and what the value will come, cos a plus b. Here will be cos a minus b. This will be same, just keep it here, cos 2c. Okay, and here I said you before, here what type of the condition here, cos a plus b or cos a minus b. Here is not given these two, so we will not even write here 2. We will just multiply both sides by cos only. So cos here 2a plus 2b, so it will be also cut, 2 will be cut. So how, let me see that, let me say you, okay, see that note here, cos 2a plus cos 2b. So let's I'm going to write here cos 2a plus cos 2b is equal to cos 2 pi radian c 2c. Okay, so here is this. Okay, so as you can see, okay, on the board, cos 2a. Okay, sorry for 1 minute. Okay, sorry, I forgot to erase with eraser. I have also erased all of my friends, so I'm going to erase here. This is 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 pi radian minus 2c. Okay, here is given to multiply by this. Okay, so we have to just also find the answer in cos 2a and 2. So let's see, here will be, if I multiply this both side, this side by cos, then what the value will come, cos a plus b is equal to cos pi radian minus c. Here value will come minus cos c. How? I am not taking 2a plus 2b because we have to get the value here. We have to get the value cos a plus b, not cos 2a plus b. So that I am writing here cos a plus b. Do you understand, my friend? Yeah, I wrote before here. I know that I wrote here. I thought that the condition is here given that, but mistakenly I wrote there. Okay, it's a matter. So let's see here, my friends. Now I am going to write sine. Here is given sine also. Where is it? Sine also. So now just read sin A plus B, then after it's equal to minus I know, sorry, here will be sin also, sin pi radian C, then you can see here minus 180 is this home, yeah, absolutely. So is 1 home, the sin C, so cos, no it is not home, it's home. Okay, so that there is a minus. So let's see. So I hope you understand why I wrote this formula here. And now I'm going to just I'm going to solve this everything here. Look at my friends here. You just understand and keep in your mind that I'm going to write this step here. After this step here, okay, cos A plus B or cos A minus B minus cos2C. Okay, now I am going to write here 2. I'm going to write this. I'm going to write, all of my friend, minus cos2C, the front side, and this minus cos A minus B here, minus this is into cos A minus B, here is given into, okay, here is given into, so that I am writing here this, and here is a 2 cos A plus B. Okay, so will you imagine which let me see that cos A plus B, okay, 2 cos, will you imagine, my friends, here will be 2, yeah, will you imagine what the answer will come? Cos A plus B, here is given cos A plus B minus cos C, so we are going to write here minus cos C, and here is given what, 2, so that we will write here 2, so minus cos2C. Okay, so I am going to write this formula 2 cos2C, cos2C, whether it will be here or there, it doesn't matter. So I am going to write just simply for you minus cos2C. Okay, so have you learned that cos2A formula 1 minus 2 sin square A, and 1 minus 2 sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1. So let me see you that what is the exact formula. 2 cos square A, okay, the exact formula is here it has 4 formula. So here is a 1 minus 2 sin square A, and cos with next formula 2 cos square A minus 1. So we have to just use 2 cos square A minus 1, because we have to, here is given cos, so that we have to use 2 cos square minus 1. So 2 cos square A minus 1. Instead of A we can keep there C. So I am going to just write here what, 2 cos square C minus 1. Okay, so do you understand, all of my friends? Yeah, I hope you understand. So let me see, save that. Yeah, here is not is equal to, so that I am not writing here is equal to, here is just given minus, here is also minus. So this will be, if here is a minus, and then here is if here is a minus, and it will be plus. How? If it is come in bracket, then it will come in plus. Okay, now you can here cannot be minus, because this channel multiply with this minus, so that here will be plus. Let's see this also, all of my friends, minus cos2C into cos A minus B. So we have to just write here cos2C. Have you note this all or not? Please note down, please, fast. You can back and pause the screen, and you can write here minus cos2C or cos A minus B. Here is given cos A minus B, not given. So we are just going to take this common, this is the matter. Here is the same, this is the same, here this is this, here is the same. Okay, now this is next part. Here this you write the same here, and write this, and here this next. So next step it is, now I am going to write here, I will take this minus 2 cos square C common. Here is a minus cos2C, here is a minus cos2C. I will take minus 2 cos a square c means cos c only, because here is only cos 2c, no, so that I am just taking so 2 cos a square c is a matter. We are just going to write here what is it called, minus cos 2c. So we are going to write here cos square 2c plus 1. Okay, whether 2 is in the first or in the middle, it doesn't matter, you can write. Minus 2 cos c we are going to take common. Now here we are going to take the after taking common, what will left here? So here will be left cos a minus b, then here will be left this cos c and 1. I will just write here plus 1 here. Okay, and now I'm going to erase these parts, these all parts. Okay, have you written or not? I don't care. I mean, I care you. I said you before also. You can just back the video and write the answer. Minus 2 cos c. Then after here is given cos a minus b cos c. So here is given what is the value of minus cos c. So minus into minus. So I'm just for to get the value of minus cos c, we have to arrange this, we have to balance this by minus, we have to multiply this by minus, so that it will become what okay, let me see that minus cos c, how it will come here. Let me excuse here, when I took common minus common, then when it multiply with this, okay, when it becomes here minus, when I will take cos c common, and I took 1 cos c, 1 cos 2c, I took 1 cos 2c, okay, and I here left 1 cos 2c, I mean 1 cos 2c. So I will just here 1 cos 2c, I took here 2, I here left only cos c, and when I took common cos 2c, then when left will remain here, then when it multiply with this minus, when I took this, when I multiply with this, and minus will be plus. So I was telling you to here some blunder. Okay, so let's see, here will be the same cos 2c, and then after here will be cos a minus b, here will be minus into cos c, here will be plus 1. Now here will be minus cos 2c plus cos a minus b. Okay, I will minus what is the value of minus cos c? Cos a plus b, cos a plus b. Okay, plus 1. Okay, now after minus cos 2c, cos 2a minus b minus cos a plus b. Can you imagine which formula is this? This is the formula of, imagine that. Okay, this is the formula of 2 sin a into sin b. How can you prove that? So we are going to just prove 2 sin a into sin b, 2 sin a into sin b. This is the formula of 2 sin a into sin b. So let me check that whether it is or not. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Here, this is the formula of 2 sin A into sin B. Here, I am going to just write cos 2C into 2 sin A into sin A into sin B plus 1. What is given in the proof? We have to find 1 minus. Here is the plus 1. So let me see. Yeah. Here is also plus 1. So that I am just writing this plus 1 first. And here is given minus 4c. So yeah, here is given 4c. Okay. So let me see that. cos2C. Okay, 4 sin A into sin B sin C. So let me check the answer. Sin A into sin B, then after cos C. Okay, so cos2C, here will be 4. How? Plus 1 sin C. How can come here sin C? Let me check the question, all of you, my friend. Sorry my friend, here question was mistake. Cos C, here will be not sin C. Okay, so 1 minus, here is 2C. 1 minus, this 2 will come front side, then it will multiply with this, then 4 sin A into sin B sin C. Proved. LHS proof, RHS proof लेख्दिने यता. RHS के भइहाल्यो, proved भइहाल्यो. Okay, so I hope understand, you have understand. So you have understood. Okay, not understand, you have understood. So if you like this video, so please share this video to your all friend and subscribe, and please support me. Okay, so bye bye, see you next video.